Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all been doing well, and I know it's been a while since I actually uploaded a video, but I will get into that probably like my next video. If not, it would be up already. But I'm going to give you guys a life update. A lot has been happening in your girl's life, but I'm excited to get back onto these YouTube streets, to upload more regularly, and to just kick it, just kill it, you know, kill this year, whatever. Oh, that's a bit harsh. But yeah, I gave you guys this very simple look in my eyes. I didn't do much talking in this video. There was a lot of sound that was around me, so I just thought that it would be easier if I just show you the product and how I do it than doing a whole talk through. But I promise you I will do a talk through next time. I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching, and let's get started, and I will see you next time.